Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware. Identify whether your laptop has USB-A, USB-C, or Thunderbolt. This influences transfer speed. Next, pick the SSD form factor 2, 5 SATA M, 2 SATA, or NVMe M2, and select an enclosure that matches it. Once done, power off the laptop before opening an enclosure or inserting the drive. This prevents damage. Make sure the enclosure supports the interface speed to avoid a bottleneck, because a slow enclosure turns a fast NVMe into a limited external drive. You place the SSD into the enclosure carefully, matching the connector orientation and using anti-static handling. Then secure the drive with the supplied screws or clip so it cannot move. A loose connection causes intermittent failures. Next, attach the enclosure's adapter or bridge circuit firmly and close the case. Once closed, connect to the laptop with a cable rated for the port, USB 3, 2 Gen 2, or Thunderbolt when available, to ensure you get the expected throughput rather than being limited by the cable. You power on and connect the enclosure. Then initialize and format the SSD for your use case, NTFS for Windows, apps for Mac OS, or XFAT for cross-platform compatibility. Once formatted, mount the drive and run a brief speed test and a sample file transfer to confirm performance and stability. If the drive isn't recognized or is slow, try another cable or port, ensure the enclosure firmware is current, and check power delivery. Often the fix is a better cable or enabling Thunderbolt support in BIOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.